Today, we are going to explore an important aspect of your financial journey, the impact of the people you choose to surround yourself with. When it comes to managing your money, building wealth, or simply improving your financial situation, the company you keep can make a significant difference. So let's dive into why it's crucial to be around motivated and goal-oriented individuals and how that can influence your own financial success. First, let's consider what we mean by driven people. These are individuals who have clear financial goals, whether it's saving for the future, investing wisely, or creating sustainable income streams. They are proactive, constantly learning, and willing to take calculated risks when necessary. Their mindset is focused on growth and improvement, not just for themselves, but often for others as well. When you spend time with people like this, you begin to absorb their habits, attitudes, and way of thinking about money. One of the key reasons surrounding yourself with motivated people helps your financial journey is because of the power of influence. Humans are social creatures, and much of how we behave is shaped by those around us. If you're regularly interacting with individuals who prioritize their financial health, it's far more likely you will adopt similar behaviors. They might share useful tips, sound advice, or even just serve as examples that encourage you to stay disciplined. On the other hand, being around people who are indifferent or negative about finances can hold you back, causing doubt or reinforcing unhelpful habits. However, driven people often provide valuable motivation, especially during challenging times. Every financial journey has its ups and downs. You might face setbacks, unexpected expenses, or moments where your goals, seem out of reach. Having a support network of like-minded people can help you stay resilient. They can offer encouragement, share their own experiences of, overcoming difficulties, and they remind you why you started. This kind of emotional backing is important because financial success is not just about knowledge or strategy, but also about perseverance and mindset. Another important benefit is the access to knowledge and opportunities. When you are connected to people who are actively working on improving their finances, you naturally gain access to wealth of information. This might include insights about different investment options, tips on budgeting, or news about financial trends. These connections might also open doors to opportunities you wouldn't find on your own, such as joining investment groups, attending workshops, or collaborating on projects. In a sense, your network can become a resource that accelerates your learning and progress. It's also worth mentioning that driven people tend to be more constructive in their approach. They focus on solutions rather than problems, which can positively influence how you deal with financial challenges instead of getting stuck in a negative mindset. You are encouraged to think creatively and seek ways to improve your situation. This problem-solving attitude is essential for navigating the complexities of personal finance. Now that we understand the benefits, how can you go about surrounding yourself with driven people? Start by identifying where these individuals spend their time. This might be in a financial seminars, online communities, book clubs focused on self-improvement, or networking events related to business and investing. Don't hesitate to reach out, introduce yourself, and engage in conversations. Remember, building relationships takes time, but every interaction is a step closer to joining a motivated circle. Additionally, consider the value of mentorship. Finding a mentor who has experience and success in managing finances can be extremely helpful. They can provide personalized guidance, hold you accountable, and help you avoid common mistakes. Mentors often serve as role models, showing you what is possible and how to get there. It's also important to be mindful of your own attitude. While being around driven people is beneficial, it's equally important to contribute positively to these relationships. Bring your own goals and willingness to learn. This creates a mutual supportive environment where everyone benefits. Finally, remember that your financial journey is unique. Comparing yourself to others can be discouraging, so use the company of driven people as inspiration rather than a benchmark. Focus on your own progress and celebrate your achievements along the way. To sum up, surrounding yourself with motivated and driven people can significantly enhance your financial journey. It provides influence that encourages better habits, offers motivation during tough times, grants success to valuable knowledge and opportunities, and promotes a constructive mindset. By actively seeking out and engaging with such individuals, you create a supportive environment that helps you achieve your financial goals more effectively. Thank you for watching. I hope this encourages you to take a closer look at your social cycle and consider how the people around you might be impacting your financial well-being. Remember, your journey to financial success is also about the company you keep.